How to fix error establishing a database connection. Encountering the error establishing a database connection message, it means your website can't talk to its database, the place where all your content lives. Let's troubleshoot it together. First things first, check your database credentials. This is the most common culprit. Are your database name, username, and password correct? Double check them against your website configuration file, usually named w-config-config.php for WordPress site. Next, verify your database server is actually running. Sometimes your hosting provider must have temporary issues. Can you access your hosting control panel or PHP My Admin? If not, the server itself might be down. Is your server accessible? And finally, look at the database host. Is it correctly a local host or a specific server address? If you have currently moved hosting, this can be outdated. Is the host information accurate? By systematically checking these three areas, credential, server status, and host, you can usually pinpoint the problem. Did any of these checks reveal the issue for you? Let me know in the comments below if you are still stuck, and we can explore the further solution. That's all for today's video. If this video made your day a little bit easier, don't forget to like and subscribe for more amazing tips. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.